YouTube, what's going on? Obviously, you need to work hard. That goes without saying. I don't need to tell you that. I shouldn't need to tell you that. You have to be immersed. This is something that I live by. This is something that I told y'all. This is something that you need to adopt. If you're not willing to work, you've already lost. But if you're working with no direction, with no intention, then honestly, you might be doing more harm than good. Work ethic is a beautiful thing to have, and it's rare. It's not something that you can't develop, but even if you do develop it, work ethic doesn't always mean growth. You all know what worker drones are, right? You stay at the bottom, but because you have a good work ethic, you stay at entry level for as long as humanly possible. And that's not what we're trying to do. At the end of the day, hard work without alignment is just busy work. Like, it's cool to feel like you worked hard and you accomplished things in the day. I'm not undermining that. But you have to get rid of this, well, at least I tried mindset, because what if you fail? Like, what if you just overwork and then you give up? Are you gonna say, at least you tried? No, bro, you failed. Get this try shit out of your head. And the only way you're gonna succeed, you have to work hard, yes. Especially when you're first starting out. That's the phase I'm in right now. Working hard to try and start something. Later on down the line, it may be a little bit different. However, if you're not doing these things like business analysis or just looking at your analytics, depending on what you're doing, and adjusting accordingly and seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, reflection, like I already talked about, networking with people, like I already talked about, trying different strategies, the list goes on. If you're not doing any of it, it's literally the same as boxing with your eyes closed. Like, yeah, you're throwing punches, bro, but bro, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're seeing. Like, how do you know? How do you know you're doing anything? You don't know. Fuck, nigga. But right, that's pretty much it. Shorter video, but it proves the point. Hard work is the prerequisite, bro, but that doesn't mean it's the end all be all. So just something to keep in mind as you continue, as I continue, shit. Shorter video, just got off work. I'm looking for a new boxing gym, so I'm on the way to meet with a coach and see what they talking about. I'll keep y'all updated on that. But same old, bro. If y'all enjoyed the video, leave a like for me. If you want to start this journey with me, documenting everything that I'm doing, go ahead and hit that subscribe. A lot of cool things coming up in the future. All right, that's all I got. Peace.